This video explains how to do the discussion board introduction. The objective of the discussion board introduction is to introduce yourself and meet your classmates in order to build a sense of community. To complete this assignment, you'll need to know how to use the Blackboard discussion board tool and be able to attach a photo to your assignment. This video will explain how to do both. You're going to create a discussion board thread that includes the following: a greeting to your classmates, talk about your program of study, your anticipated date of graduation, and any future career or academic plans. You'll list 8 words to describe yourself. You'll answer this question: if you can go back in time to your 13-year-old self, what advice would you give to your 13-year-old self? And finally, you'll include a photo of yourself or something that makes you happy in the discussion board box. And finally, it's important to remember to not share any information that you would not want to share in a public forum. Note that this is only open to class members and only to encourage a sense of community, and so you're not expected to share anything private or sensitive. And then you'll reply to 2 of your classmates. You'll review and comment on at least 2 of your classmates' posts. And again, be sure to respond to all questions and thoughtful comments posted on your original thread. Your responses will be kept. We'll keep the conversation flowing and help build our class community. So let's get started. Click on the discussion board link. You will scroll down until you see introductions. You'll note I've already created a thread, and we'll look at that in a moment. To create your own thread, simply hit Create Thread. Again, the directions. For the subject, just put your name. Click here, and then answer the questions. So let's go back to mine and look to see what it looks like here. So click here. So I just followed the basic format: my greeting, what my major is, when I'm going to graduate, my goal, and 8 words to describe me. Here's a hint on how to find words that describe you. Just Google words to describe yourself, and you can pick from a list. That's not difficult, so that's where I got my list. So you don't have to explain any of these things unless you want to. I didn't give any examples. If I could give advice to my 13-year-old self, here it is. And a photo for me running in a race. So there is my thread. If you wanted to reply to my thread, you would simply hit reply and type your response into the box and hit submit. So again, from the discussion board, when you're ready, hit Create Thread and type your name here, and then type your answers in the box. So I want to mention how to add a photo real quick. So in the toolbox here, if you want to add content, click here. If you've saved your photos to your computer, it should be found on your local files. Click there. This is the picture that I uploaded, and it'll upload. And that is how to create your discussion board introduction.